Skibbereen, Let Us Leave the Dying Land, is the title of my textile installation. I was inspired to make this work thinking of my own Irish ancestors who came to the United States, we believe in the early 1840s. The story of the Irish is also one of words, of symbols that they left, even prehistoric symbols. The land is still dotted with triliths, many with prehistoric carvings. The monks are credited with saving knowledge during the Middle Ages. Best known manuscript is the Book of Kells with the famous Cairo page. The Irish landscape is one of great beauty, indeed green from the moisture it gets through most of the year. In the 1840s, the potato crop failed, bringing starvation to most of the population. Even though crops were being exported from Ireland at this time, the British landlords did not feed many of the people, and they either died of starvation or other diseases brought on in that terrible time. These are potato leaves. Many of the Irish immigrated if they could afford it or get on a ship. My boats are crossing the stormy Atlantic, leaving in tatters the stories. The green, orange, and white of these leaves are based on the Irish flag, which in turn is based on the Catholic and Protestant population of the island.